What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Sorry again, my voice is still pretty hoarse from getting over a cold, but today I'm going to show you part 1 of how I planned an actual essay for my English class this past week, more specifically how I brainstormed and wrote a thesis. The prompt for my essay was how do the Gothic elements in the Telltale Heart convey a significant theme? So I listed a couple of elements that I knew were really common in Gothic literature. Then I chose 2 Gothic elements to focus on. One was macabre symbols, which are basically just symbols connected to the idea of death and violence. And I also chose the narrator's psychological torment, or his own struggle with the idea of guilt. Then I started to draft my thesis. So I'll actually put a link to my How to Write an Advanced Literary Thesis video at the end of this video. So I kind of follow the same steps right here as I am brainstorming. As you can see, I've written my 2 Gothic elements, and I'm kind of leaving the theme part of my thesis open-ended because I'm not sure what theme I want to focus on yet. So here I start brainstorming what theme I want to write about in my essay just by jotting down a few quick notes. Now I'm starting to write about the universal theme in this bullet point, so I'm not going to be including any reference to any characters' names or specific details about the plot, but rather I'm going to be using general terms to talk about a universal theme that could apply to any sort of situation. And I know that precipitates should actually be precipitate. And here I'm just finishing the theme part of my thesis and adding it to my final draft of the thesis itself. Here I start writing a table of kind of an outline of both the body paragraphs. I've decided to write a 4-paragraph essay, so my first body paragraph is going to be on macabre symbols, and my second body paragraph will elaborate on the second Gothic element, which is the narrator's psychological torment. And in this chart, I'm going to be brainstorming and planning for my essay by writing really crucial quotes that I can use in my essay and analyzing them. So that's how I plan all of my literary essays, by finding quotes and writing a few notes of analysis underneath. If you guys want to see me actually fill in this outline by finding quotes and writing analysis, please stay tuned for part 2 of this video coming up next week. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe and tap the bell for notifications so that you can see when I release part 2 of this video. Tell me in the comments what other writing topics you'd like me to cover. I will see you next time.